In this video, you will learn finance and accounting terms in Chinese, particularly manufacturing cost. Are you ready? The first word is 直接材料. Let's see how this word was formed. Here's the first part. The word 直接 is an adjective, which means direct. Here's the second part. 材料 is a noun, which means material. Putting together these words, 直接材料 will result in direct material. Direct material costs are costs of materials that can practically be traced to a product or service. Aside from purchase price, cost also includes freight charges, custom duties, and other taxes. The second word is 直接人工. Let's break down this word. Here's the first part. 直接 is an adjective, which means direct. Now the last part. 人工 is a noun, which means manpower. Combining these words, 直接人工 pertains to which term? The answer is 直接人工 means direct labor. Direct labor is the cost of labor that can practically be traced to a cost object, such as a product or service. In other words, this refers to those who are directly involved in producing products or providing the services. Next word is 工厂间接费用. Let's see the composition of this word. Here's the first part. 工厂 is a noun, which means factory. Here's the second part. 间接 is an adjective, which means indirect. Now the last part. 费用 is a noun, which means cost, expenses. Combining these words, 工厂间接费用 literally means factory indirect cost. Can you guess what term we're talking about? The answer is 工厂间接费用 means factory overhead. Here's the short explanation about factory overhead. Manufacturing costs include direct materials, direct labor, and factory overhead. Let's talk about 制造间接费用. Let's see how this word was formed. Here's the first part. 制造 is a verb which is defined as to manufacture. Here's the second part. 间接 is an adjective, which means indirect. Now the last part. 费用 is a noun, which means cost, expenses. Putting together these words, 制造间接费用 literally means manufacturing indirect costs. Can you guess what term we're talking about? The answer is 制造间接费用 means manufacturing overhead. Factory overhead is also called manufacturing overhead. Now, down to our last word. 制造成本. Let's see the composition of this word. Here's the first part. 制造 is a verb which is defined as to manufacture. Here's the second part. 成本 is a noun, which means cost. Putting these two words together, 制造成本 results in the accounting term manufacturing cost. As mentioned earlier, manufacturing costs include direct materials, direct labor, and factory overhead. Let's have a quick review. What's the meaning of this Chinese word? 直接人工, 直接材料, 工厂间接费用, 制造成本, 制造间接费用. I hope you enjoy and learn a lot from this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell icon for more updates. For more videos, click the link in the description box below, or click these end screens. Thanks for watching.